Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCaddis. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today, according to SoSoValue. The first is, Strive Asset Management plans to merge with asset entities to create the first publicly traded Bitcoin asset management company operating under the Strive brand and listed on NASDAQ. The merger enables a tax-free exchange of Bitcoin for stock under Section 351 of the U.S. Tax Code, benefiting investors by avoiding capital gains tax. Strive aims to build a Bitcoin treasury with minimal dilution to shareholders and a long-term investment strategy outperforming Bitcoin itself.
That's a good thing.
Next news. A Daily Planet Daily reports that the Federal Reserve has maintained interest rates unchanged for the third consecutive meeting and emphasized that they believe the risks of rising inflation and increasing unemployment are both growing. The FOMC committee stated, "The uncertainty of the economic outlook has further increased. The committee is monitoring the risks facing its dual mandate from both directions and judges that the risks of high unemployment and high inflation have risen." Officials unanimously voted to keep interest rates in the 4.25% range. Next news. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent stated that the United States should become the preferred destination for digital assets. He emphasized at the House Financial Services Committee hearing that the U.S. should establish a sound market structure and promote best practices. Bessent was appointed as Treasury Secretary by President Trump and is a member of the President's Digital Asset Market Working Group. The committee is drafting cryptocurrency regulatory legislation involving new responsibilities and disclosure requirements for the Commodity Futures Trading Commission and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Next news. Salana Domain Name Service announces airdrop allocation plan. A total of 2 billion SNS tokens will be airdropped, of which 1.5 billion tokens will be allocated to wallets holding .sol domain names. Next news. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen stated that the demand for U.S. Treasury bonds from digital assets will reach as high as $2 trillion.
And also that digital assets are an important source of innovation that will drive that can drive usage of the U.S. dollar around the world, as with stablecoin legislation. There is speculation that there may be up to $2 trillion of demand over the next few years for U.S. government securities from digital assets.
Next news. Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs has signed HB 2749 into law, officially establishing the state's first cryptocurrency reserve. The reserve will manage unclaimed crypto assets, airdrops, and staking rewards, but it will not be used for investment purposes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.